This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Drive belt replacement. Pull the hood release lever located underneath the steering wheel. Slide the hood safety latch, then raise the hood upwards. Note how the drive belt is routed among the various pulleys. To remove the drive belt, rotate the tensioner pulley against spring tension with a wrench, then slip the belt off of an accessible pulley. Slowly rotate the tensioner to its stopping point. Remove the belt from various pulleys and out of the engine compartment. Loosely install the drive belt onto the pulleys in the correct routing. Rotate the tensioner to allow the belt to be slipped onto the remaining pulley, then release the tensioner, applying tension to the belt. Inspect the belt at each pulley and make sure that the belt is fitted evenly into all of the pulley grooves.